Come on in, welcome to my home. I love an easy recipe. And if you're wondering why this recipe is in coffee month, you can use this in coffee. Now, we will be making a coffee drink with this next week, of course, or it's already been made if you're seeing this later. This is so easy. I love this in like anything. In fact, my mom loves it on ice cream. But this is so easy. All the ingredients are listed down below. Let's get to this because this takes no time and hopefully doesn't cause that much heat. I'm going to start off with the infamous pecan butter. You're like,
but where am I going to find pecan butter?
Make your own, really. All pecan butter is toasted pecans put into a food processor and ground up until smooth. This is not 100% smooth, but that's okay. You can actually then take that and strain it if it doesn't become 100% smooth. I don't mind the way it is, but yeah, pecan butter is one of those things, it's so easy to make, it's like peanut butter. All it takes is roasted peanuts. Then we have maple syrup. Get the best maple syrup that you can get. Brown sugar, butter, vanilla, and heavy cream. I'm going to take this over to the stove and then cook this until the sugar has melted. Remember to stir while the sugar is melting. Alright, I let my syrups cool slightly, and because my syrup wasn't completely thin, I am going to strain it through a fine mesh strainer. Alright, it's all done. Now this will have to be refrigerated, but let's give this a taste. Oh wow, that is super good. I mean super good. Now what I strained out, this could actually be spread onto butter, onto bread, cookies, whatever. Oh, that's good. That is so good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at Sam Coleman Home. We will be using this for a really cool drink coming up next week. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments. I hope we get to see you again next time.